Punisher but Varified. Hi everyone, today I'm transforming myself into the Punisher. Since Spider-Man A Brand New Day is coming out soon, I really am so excited to see the Punisher, and that's why I wanted to do a Punisher look. This is the makeup look I did. I'm gonna show you exactly how I did this look right now. I already have my foundation on. I think for blush I want to go red. I think this makeup look is gonna be a little bit basic because I generally have no idea what I could do for makeup art. Like there's the obvious skull, but I already have like a skull on my dress, so I don't want to add too many skull kind of things, and I have no idea what else I could create. Like I was thinking like a bloody lip, a bruised eye, but that's not gonna be like pretty. So I think I'm gonna go for a black smoky eye with some silver glitter and a red lip. So I also want to add a red blush, and for that I'm gonna use this highlighter by Fenty Beauty in Ruby Riches. So the reason why I use this as a blush is because it's a little bit too dark for my skin tone to use as a highlighter, so I just use it as a blush. And I really don't mind the shine or glow it gives. Okay, so moving on to eyeshadow. I want to start with black. I'm gonna use this Pat McGrath Labs Mothership 3 Subversive, and there is this black shade over here, though I am afraid it's not gonna be black enough. Like when I mean black, I mean as black as my hair. Alright, so I found a new black. This one is by ColourPop. It is the Star Wars palette, which is really gorgeous, by the way. I should do a Star Wars look with this one. And this has a black called Star Destroyer. So I hope that one is a bit more pigmented than this one. Okay, that looks a lot better than the Pat McGrath Labs one. Now I'm gonna use this silver in this palette on my lid, which is called Kessel Run. Oh yeah, I like that. It's pretty pigmented too. I like the silver a lot actually. And I wasn't even planning on using this palette. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more of that black. I don't want to blend too much because I do like the depth of that black. Now I'm gonna add my eyeliner, and I'm using this one by One Size. And to really add more black, I'm gonna add this black pencil to my waterline. So this one is by ColourPop in the shade Swerve. I think that looks pretty good. Now for lips, I want to go dark red, like bloody red. I'm actually gonna use a black lip liner, and this one is by MAC in the shade Caviar. So now on my lips, I'm gonna use a red lipstick. So this one is by Fenty Beauty in the shade HBIC. To top it off, I'm gonna use this lip stain, also by Fenty Beauty in the shade Strawberry Sangria, just to add some shine to it. Now it's really looking bloody. Now for highlighter, I'm going silver, and I'm gonna use this one by Fenty Beauty. How Many Carats? Alright, so I have my dress on. Spoiler alert, I'm gonna show you the entire dress later on. I put my hair up in a high ponytail because I thought it suited the smoky eye better. Like if my hair was loose, there's gonna be a lot more black here. Also, I do think that the ponytail does suit the Punisher very well. Now it is time to accessorize. So for earrings, I have these skull earrings. They're actually Halloween earrings. I do like it. So for rings, I'm going with Swarovski because I really want bright silver. So I have this one, and I also have this one. So for shoes, I want to stick with the leather theme, so I'm going with some really high leather boots. Alright, so this is the entire look. So let's talk about the dress. So this dress is just a plain leather black dress, and I rhinestoned the skull on it myself. This was my first time rhinestoning, and I'm actually so proud. The way this turned out is actually so good. I really love it. I would totally wear this to the movies, to the Spider-Man movie. Like, I'm so excited to see the Punisher on the big screen at the movie theater. Like, I'm so excited. More excited than I'm to see Spider-Man. I feel like this is totally the Punisher, but Varified. Also, I gotta show you, like, I always really love when dresses have shorts underneath. Like, it is great. So yeah, what do you think? I do have one final accessory, and that is this gorgeous Loungefly bag, which is perfect for this outfit. Like, I love it. I have to say though that my skull is a little bit prettier. Like, it's so sparkly. So it is a drawstring backpack, and the lining is full of skulls. It has a side compartment here and a zipper over there. You can use these zippers to make it a little bit wider. And this is what it looks like when I'm wearing it. Let me show you the entire look. I think it looks perfect. Okay, so I do have another really perfect accessory. If you've seen my Daredevil video, then you know that I have Daredevil's mask. Here it is. It's so nice. There's even a Funko Pop where Frank Castle is holding his mask. I really want to have it. It's so expensive. I'm trying to find it. So this is me in the future, and I bought the actual Funko Pop. It is a bobblehead. Alright, so that is the final look. Let me know what you think in the comments of my dress, my rhinestoning, my makeup, the bag, everything. And also let me know in the comments who I should verify next, and make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching me sparkle.